Hello everyone, my name is Oak. Today, we're picking up right where we left off. At this stage, you should already have your domain, your hosting plan, and your SSL certificate active within your Tiwa host account. Now, let's go to the first step, which is accessing the cPanel. I'm currently looking at my Tiwa host dashboard, and as you can see, I have my services and domain ready to go. To launch WordPress, we first need to head over to services. Here, you will see our launch hosting plan and rapid SSL certificate connected to the domain. To open cPanel, simply click on your hosting product. On the left-hand sidebar under Actions, select Login to cPanel. Now, step 2. This is where you find the WordPress installer. Now that we are inside the cPanel, scroll down until you find the software section. Under the Softaculous Apps Installer, you'll see the WordPress icon. You can also find the WordPress Manager by Softaculous in the left-hand sidebar. Click that icon. If a splash screen pops up, you can hit Remind Me Later or close it to enter the management interface. Now, click the blue Install button. Step 3, which is the software setup and security. On the installation screen, we need to configure a few things. Now, protocol, you'll see 4 options. Avoid the HTTP version as they are not secured. Since you have an SSL certificate, choose HTTPS://. You can include the www if you like, but I prefer to keep it simple with just HTTPS. Now, the domain. Ensure your correct domain is selected, and in the directory, this is a very crucial step. If there is anything written in this box like WP, delete it. You want this field to be empty so WordPress installs directly on your main domain and not in a subfolder. Now, under version, always ensure the latest version of WordPress is selected. Now, the step 4, admin account configuration. You can skip the site setting for now. We can change those later. Let's focus on the admin account. So, username. Choose a unique username. Do not use admin. It's the first things hackers guess. If you're stuck, use the auto-generated one. Now, password. Create a very strong password. Aim for 85% strength or higher. You can click the key icon to generate a secure one. Make sure to copy and save this. Now, under admin email, use an email you have access to. If you want to use an email address like admin@yourdomain.com, remember to actually create that mailbox in cPanel later so you can receive system notification. Now, step 5, which is finalizing installation. Scroll past the optional plugins for now and click Install. WordPress will take just a few moments to set up. Once you're finished, you will see 2 URLs, your main website link and your administrative URL, which ends in /WordPress-admin. This is your gateway to the back end. Now let's test the login. This is the dummy page WordPress creates by default. To log in yourself, simply add /WP-admin to the end of your domain in the browser. Enter the unique username and password we created earlier, and there we go. We are officially logged into the WordPress dashboard. Step 7. And I want you to take note of this important tip for recovering your password. If you ever forget your login details, don't panic. You can return to the WordPress Manager in cPanel, and from there, you can log in directly as an admin without a password, manage your users, or even reset your password. That is how you launch and install WordPress from cPanel through Tiwa host. See you in the next lesson.